weight management, and your metabolism are fiercely intertwined. Metabolism is defined as the process through which people break down food to nourish and repair themselves. It regulates your absorption of nutrients and how they are stored in the body. When you want to achieve health goals and reach a lower weight, variances or changes in your metabolism could be a real obstacle, but the question is, how does this happen? This video will be exploring what might cause your metabolism to slow down. Number 1. Your age. As people get older, the body loses some of its ability to regenerate and repair cells that are damaged or have gotten overworked and need to be replaced. This is because as humans age, their metabolism will naturally slow down, causing them to store fat that they were at one time able to burn by simply being active. As people progress into their late 30s and early 40s, the metabolism slows down and becomes less efficient. Hey, are you enjoying this video? Let us know by hitting the like button, and for more videos subscribe to the channel. Number 2. Sedentary lifestyle. When was the last time you got to do something physical? A physically demanding lifestyle can help you to keep a healthy and make sure that your metabolism keeps working at a more efficient level. As people grow older, their metabolism will begin to slow down, so working out or having some kind of activity schedule can help to fight some of the effects of this. People with an already sedentary lifestyle will experience increased effects of this, because if the body records that it doesn't need a lot of calories on a daily basis, then it will optimize the metabolism to burn only what it needs. That means that if you eat more calories than you use, that food eaten will become fat in the body. Number 3. Skipping meals. A lot of people have become used to eating very few meals in a day. Depending on your activity level, this could be very bad for your metabolism, because your body will think that it is starving and convert the foods you eat to fat to make sure there is always energy available. It can also make you sleep strange hours to conserve energy, resulting in lethargy. This can keep you from enjoying the quality of life that promotes other healthy behaviors, and thus create a vicious cycle of lethargy and weight gain. As you can see, very small changes can have a drastic impact on your metabolism and how well you are able to lose weight.